in the diagram inputs are across terminals A and C and output is across terminals B and D. Then the output is, see, if this is positive, this diode conducts, D1 conducts, and if this is negative, then if I call this as D1, D2, D3 and D4, clockwise I have named them, D3 also conducts. So, if the input is a full wave like this is due to D1 and D3. Then when this becomes negative because of the change in polarity, this becomes positive now, second case. Then negative is conducted by D4 and positive at C is conducted by D2. So, D2 and D4 conduct. So, the output you get is a full wave rectified. So, full wave rectifier represented by this circuit, hence option D is the right answer.